to make another craft with us this week. So you might notice all the birds that I've got around me this week, because we have been hearing about how Jesus, when he was a boy, he learned as much as he could and did his best with learning. And one of the places that he learned was in nature. He learned a lot of things about nature, the animals and all the trees and plants and everything all around him. So today we're going to make a bird feeder. So hopefully you've got your honey and your toilet roll ready to go. The other thing that you're going to need today is a little container of some description that we're going to pop our bird seed in. So I've got my toilet roll ready to go, and in your envelopes you will have got some bird seed. Okay, so we're going to need to pop our bird seed here into our bowls, just like that, and then we can shake that around a bit, and then we're going to get our toilet roll today, and we'll sit that in there just so we don't make a mess anywhere else. Now I don't know what sort of honey you've got, but I've got some honey here. Next week I'm going to tell you a little bit more about these honey jars, but until next week, let's just use the honey here instead, okay? So what we're going to do is just pop some honey onto our toilet roll so that then our bird seed is going to stick onto our toilet roll, and we're going to make a little bird feeder that we can hang up outside. So here we go. Pop some honey on. Now you might get just a little bit messy doing this because I'm going to use my finger to rub the honey all over the toilet roll, and then we're going to move it around so that we get the honey the whole way around there, and then you can even sit it down into the seeds because we're going to be popping it into the seeds anyway. So I might stick it down in the seeds while I do the other half here. Bit of honey there. Just press it around. There we go. Oh, we might need a little bit more. A little bit of honey there. Oh, get that everywhere. Okay, so let's now see if we can get our bird seeds all stuck onto our toilet rolls and our bird feeder. There we go, that's looking good. You might need to just shake your seeds again to get them in the right spot there to stick them all on. Now what you might want to do once you've done this bit is just sit it in the fridge for a little bit. I did that and it just makes it go just a little bit harder for when you get to do the next bit. And then once you've done that, you can get your thread. Now you might have a red or a blue thread in your pack, and we'll pop that through there. And then we'll just tie that like that. Oh, my hands are a bit sticky. I think we can tie that. And then just like that, you'll be able to go and hang your bird feeders outside in a tree somewhere and see if you can attract any birds to them. So have fun doing that and learning as much as you can about nature. Now in your envelopes as well, you would have got pictures of some different animals that you had to try and guess a name. And they're a little bit different animals, maybe some animals that you haven't come across before. So maybe if you didn't know which one of them, what it was, maybe you could look that animal up and learn a little bit more about that animal this week and do your best with learning. So cool, I hope you had fun with that and enjoy doing that. But next week, we've got another craft coming up. We're going to go to a wedding next week. So that's pretty exciting, isn't it? That's where our story goes, to a wedding. So I'm going to give you a clue, a little bit like a riddle, about what our craft might be for next week. So our craft next week is going to be sweet and squeaky. So sweet and squeaky. Now, if you want to think about that for a little bit and not know the answer, you need to shut your eyes now, because I'm going to show a picture of what it's going to be. So shut your eyes and then you won't see that. But otherwise, we will see you next week when we head off to a wedding. Thanks, guys. See you later.